Here we find ourselves at Connect Mobile Solutions in Maghera. Today we've just completed a wee job on a Ford Ranger, the crew cab. Just a wee reverse camera we put on there and carbon it onto the number plate mount. I'll just give you a wee look at the inside of the vehicle and what we get when we slip it onto reverse. Slip it into reverse, and your rear view mirror to the left hand side now becomes your monitor for your reverse camera. As you can see, the tow hitch at the center and the stagnant guidelines, and we pop it out of reverse and you've got the conventional mirror as it should be. If this is something that you would like, feel free to contact us at Connect Mobile Solutions, both Connect in Maghera or Connect in Belfast.